At Reno-Assistance, we are passionate about renovation. This is why we always work with the best kitchen designers and contractors because we know that they love to be on the cutting edge. This is why today we are here at Blum, an Austrian company that manufactures high-quality furniture fittings with a unique philosophy and high-tech products.
My name is Lucy. I've been with Blum for 19 years and my job is a Dynamic Space Age Explorer Specialist. We're an international company and we manufacture lift systems, drawer systems, hinge systems, and organization for drawers as well. We have showrooms in Montreal and Toronto, and we invite our customers, whether they be cabinet makers, designers. We do technical seminars where you can actually learn about the technical part of the product. We also do seminars on our concept of dynamic space, which is our concept of functionality and ergonomics and planning in zones, which is 5 zones. We ask the end consumers or the experts that came into our lab kitchens to give us a complete inventory of the storage goods in their homes. And all of these items are things that each and every one of us have. So we ask them to separate the items into areas where they would use them in common. We walk on average probably over 2,000 kilometers in the life of a kitchen. And then on the other side, a kitchen that is planned according to dynamic space, so properly planned, you actually shave off about 500 or 600 kilometers. The Age Explorer suit is a suit that we've been using for over 10 years now, so we were well ahead of the game. And it was developed by the leader in research in the world called the Meyer-Henschel Institute, and they work together with geriatric doctors. It simulates various things like movement restriction, joint restriction, hearing impairment, sight impairment. So when you put the suit on, it ages your body approximately 20 or 25 years older than what you are. And we demonstrate with this suit so that people know today what their needs are going to be tomorrow. The organizational systems that we have are specifically suited for our drawer systems. So this means that they fit exact. And the beauty with our storage systems is that they're adjustable. We developed something called a plate holder that you put your plates in and it easily gets tucked into a drawer. So the idea behind that is it's ergonomically friendly, it's functional, and it's good for people of any age. Depending on your client's budget, you can accommodate them. What we try to do is educate people on what works for them. I believe in the products because they are even in my own kitchen, as well as my family's kitchens, my friends' kitchens. When people come to my home, I'm so passionate about it because they can open up my drawers and they're organized. Everybody wants to have a beautiful kitchen, but not everybody has a functional kitchen.
So you see, each detail counts. If you renovate your kitchen with Reno-Assistance, we will walk you through absolutely every step of your project.